A for apple. B for ball. C for cup. D for doll. E for eye. F for fish. G for girl. H for hen. I for eyes. J for jar. K for kid. L for lamb. M for mango. N for nurse. O for orange. P for pillow. Q for quail. R for red. S for sun. T for tree. U for uncle. V for van. W for will. X for X-ray.
Y for UU. Z for zip.